Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video, let's do some different kinds of hairstyles in our video. So here I'm using a rubber band and just putting the half ponytail and then plaiting them and just putting a rubber band on it. So take half part of the rubber band and just roll them same way as it is follows. So just plait them. So after plaiting, just fold them and here's a beautiful hairstyle. So here I'm using a ponytail and then using a rotator I'm just rotating it and here's a beautiful bun and just put a rubber band down. So let's move on. So here I'm taking half part of a hairstyle and then twisting it. So same way the ponytail is being twisted and using a clip I'm just making a bun and front layer I'm plaiting it. So just spread the plait and then just roll it. So here's a beautiful hairstyle with a flower that has been plaited and put a pearls on it. So here I'm taking a hairstyle and just rotating it and twisting it and making a bun over it. So here's a clip that has been inserted. So next let's move on. I'm using ponytail and then making it into half and then twist it one by one. So after twisting it slowly, beautiful hairstyle. Just twist it till the end and then rotate it like a bun. So put a clip and here's a beautiful bun. So same way in the down part just ponytail and then twist it. Take 3 sections and then plait it. Same way as it follows to the remaining section using a clip and then rotate it. Here's a beautiful bun. So same way it follows one side of the ponytail and it is twisted and combine it. Same way many rubber bands has been added and twisted it. Just plait it. Then fold it and put a clip and stick onto it. So using a stick, design stick, twist the hair and then rotate it. Just fold them. So here's again one more different hairstyle with a bun. So same way using a ponytail, I'm just using one more stick, design stick and then I'm just rotating it. So let's move on using one more different kind of stick, just rotating it and making a twist of the hairs. So again as it is follows to the next hairstyle using different kinds of clips, we are just rotating it. So make a half part of the hairstyle with a rubber band of ponytail and then twist it and insert that two hairs and plait it. So after plaiting, just fold it and here's a beautiful hairstyle with a clip. Same way, a half part the ponytail has been done and the twisted and here's a bow type of hairstyle and then a plait is being spreaded and it's like a flower. Thank you.